Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with technology package, navigation,
unauthorized entry theft deterrent system,
GMC infotainment premium audio system, preferred equipment group 5SA,
lane change alert with side blind zone alert, power front windows with driver express up and down, heated driver and front outboard passenger seats,
GMC connected access capable,
AM/FM Sirius XM radio,
and has less than 70,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests. And we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.